Hi guys, it's Danny from Headway 2.0, and today I just want to show you how to replicate a site really quickly using the new feature, the import export feature on Headway 2. As you can see, this is an old post here from back on, well, end of August, and it mentions Headway 1.7. The Headway developers have moved from 1.7 straight up to Headway 2.0 because it's such a huge jump in what the previous version was like, the 1.66, which was the last public version of Headway. So basically what we're going to do is show you how to use the import export feature on Headway 2.0 and make something like this run and style over your basic Headway setup. Okay, so like I say, it's two very simple steps that you actually take to do that. So what you need to do first is, let's just jump into the visual editor, and the first thing we want to do is save the basic styling of the Headway Made Easy site. So what you would do is, let's just jump over to where it says styles and design, and you go to styles here and you save the current style. You'll notice it's got magazine, feeling blue, cream and sky. They're preloaded styles that come with Headway 2.0. It's a really cool feature that gets a blog up and running quickly, but what we want to do here is save this particular design over here. So let's save current style, and let's just call that HW20. Okay, so we're going to call that Headway 2.0 for example. Hit the save button and you'll see that it saves here. Okay, so save changes, which is down here, and then reload the visual editor. Okay, and that's just going to save that little template up there. So now that we've reloaded it, what we want to do is export it. Okay, so let's just go to the tools up here and export feature, and you get two options. You've got styles and leaf template. The first one that we just saved was a style, which is the basic layout. The leaf template will be the next step that we'll show you in a minute, and that actually gives you the sidebar and colours and the link widgets, etc. But let's go to styles and open this up, and now you'll see down here HW20, okay, or Headway 2.0. So let's export style. Alright, and that downloads to your hard drive. So I'm just going to close this window down because that's now saved. And what we need to do now is jump over to the test area and enter the visual editor there, because obviously now that we've exported the actual I'm just going to skip this. This is the new quick start wizard as well, which I showed in a previous video, but I don't need this. But this is a really cool feature of Headway 2, which allows you to get a blog or a website up and running really quickly, and helps you choose the colour scheme, etc. But let's just close that because I don't need that. And tools, I want to go to import, and I want to go to styles and import style. Now obviously what I'm looking for here is HW20, and that's what I want to upload now. So let's go to import style, and on my hard drive, and yeah, I've got a lot of junk in this little folder here, but let's just look for HW20, and there it is there, and you can see there it tells you Headway style. Okay, so click on that and open, and then if you go over to styles and design now, okay, and click on styles, you'll see HW20 in there. So just highlight that, and you can see that the colour scheme from the actual Headway Theme Made Easy site is over now in this little area here. So let's load the style, and it tells you here, are you sure? Load on a style will allow you to see the style, but the new style will not be applied unless you click the Save All Changes button, which is cool. It lets you see whether you like it or not without saving and having to redesign again. So let's click OK, and that's going to load the site for me. So as you can see, I've got the basic layout. Let's just close that. Okay, so I've got the basic layout there. It's got all the link colours. It's got the colour scheme for the navigation bar. Obviously it's not got the header in there because I'd have to upload the header from the hard drive. But as you can see, it's made a real quick change with one simple step. So I'm going to save changes actually, because obviously we're making a change here. Okay, and reload visual editor. So this is the test site, and it's starting to look a little bit like this one. Okay, but what we need to do now is get the sidebar area looking the same over here. Now I could go into this and just make a change using the actual visual editor, but like I say, there's another simple step that Headway allows you to do. Okay, so what we want to do here is go to the leaves and columns and go to the templates. Okay, now it says at the moment I don't have any leaf templates, but that's because I've not saved any. So let's save the current page layout. Okay, and I'm going to call this HW20 sidebar. Makes it nice and easy to remember. and save. Okay, and now you can see that comes up here, HW 2.0 sidebar, and I'm just going to save changes again and reload the visual editor. Okay, now once that's loaded in, what I need to do now is obviously go back up to tools and go to the the export feature. So let's go to export, and this time I want to look at leaf templates, and now you can see HW2O sidebar is now in there. So I'm going to export that, and again this is just my window opening to say that it's downloading the template that I've just saved. So now, because I've downloaded and saved that, I need to jump back over here and again go to the tools and the import option, because now I want to actually import the leaf template. So again, leaf template here, browse to what I'm looking to upload. So now I need the HW2O sidebar, and there you go. So let's just open that up, and there you go. And go to leaves and columns again, go to templates, and you can see it's now loaded in there. So let's load the template, and once that's loaded in, as you can see it's now giving me the sidebar. Let's just save all changes and close the visual editor. And as you can see, in 2 simple steps I've now got the basic styling of the Headway Theme Made Easy site over onto here. All I need to do is get some widgets in there, put the header up, and just a little couple of changes where I've got this, up looking like that. And as you can see, that's it. It's simple, guys. That's 2 steps to recreate an existing site and get it up and running really quickly on your new site. This has been Danny from Headway Theme Made Easy, showing you the new import export feature in Headway 2. Hope you enjoy, and see you in the next video. Thanks.